So yeah guys, if you want to learn this song, then keep on watching. Please subscribe to my channel to get the notification bell. I will definitely try to upload all the Blackpink songs and twice in the sea. Oh god, there are so many songs I'm listening these days, and I will definitely try. And yeah, let's move to the video. Do subscribe, follow me on Instagram. Please be happy to reach at least 10,000 there. Here 100,000. Yeah, now let's move to the video. Alright guys, so let's talk about the chords we are playing the song. So we are playing A minor, A, C, A. Then G, G, B, D, F, F, A, C, 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 E, G, and one more chord we are playing, yeah, so D, F, A, D minor. So yeah, these are the chords we are playing in the song, and yeah, let's move to the video. So in the beginning of the song, we are just playing the chords, so with our left and right hand, so we're playing like C, and then go to C, and B, and then go this B. Yeah, that's it. Now the song will start from E, and it's like, don't hold my hand. Again E. Don't back me back. Again E. Don't say that will. Now again F. Make it through this. Okay. Now come on C, and from here, if I'm so beautiful, then why? So yeah, that was the part of Jenny. Now from E, the doors were slammed, the plates we smashed, echo with the. Now come on F, sound of madness. Come on C. Now there's a little change in this line, so come on C, and from here, I can't remember. Come on G. Why we try, so why we try. Now next line. Now come on C, and from here this C is like, my heart only wants you. And from here again, the moment, so you say no. It's a very nice song. Next line then. Come on this A, and from here, but tonight I'll be, come on G, happiest girl in the world. You'll see, like it doesn't matter. Then again from C, tonight I'll be the happiest girl in the world. You'll see, G, like it never happened. Then next line. Now for next line, come on E, and I can stop the tears if I want to. So I can stop tears if I want to. I can stop the tears if I want to. I can stop the tears if I want to. Then again, but tonight I'll be the happiest girl in the world. You'll see, like it doesn't matter. So they're repeating the thing. Now we're repeating the same like the first paragraph. So come on E is like, don't make us saints, we're what's a pain. The past and the perfect picture. There's no one else to blame this time, so blame this time. Now Lisa, don't change the truth. We can't undo the high we chased till the crash. No. Now from D, you're not the one who gets to cry. Then again we have C, so it's like, my heart only wants you. The moment you say no, then I can't be happy, but tonight I'll be the happiest girl in the world. So we are repeating the lines. Now let's play the last part of the song. So come on, E, and it's like all it takes is a, come on, Z, smooth pop off a bottom. Now from here, top to fix a heart, a broken heart, baby. Then next line. Then again, come on, E, but there's a little change. So come on, E, it's like all it takes is a, come on, C, rolling paper. So letter, rolling paper. Now come on, D, take us to the start, go back to the start. But tonight I'll be the happiest girl. So they're repeating it. Now let's play with our both hands. Repeating the same paragraph. It's like the same tune of the second paragraph is same as the first one. So now let's play the last part of the song. Guys, then we are repeating the same thing. So yeah, if you have liked it, please give it a big thumbs up, do subscribe to the channel, don't forget to hit the notification bell, and do stream the album. Bye, have a nice day.